Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, November 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound yen, I still think this needs to make an ABC of 4. Probably look at something like this before it goes up again to make a wave 5 to complete what I think is a very, very clear pattern on the monthly time frame, which is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is a wave A. I still think we're in a wave B, and I still believe that at some point it's going to go down and make the wave C of wave 4. Now keep in mind this is a weekly time frame pattern, so it potentially will take months to play out. Going down to the daily time frame, on the daily it looks like a wave A. I think this is the A. I think this is 3 waves down for the B. I think this is potentially an uptrend for the wave C. Now we do have a breaker structure, but it kind of rejected structure, so it potentially could still be in an uptrend. It might even try to go out to one of these higher Fibonacci levels, so we do have to be a little bit cautious. I do think at some point it is going to start a new downtrend like this for the bigger wave C. It's just we really don't have a whole lot of proof that it's actually doing it yet. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, we do have a breaker structure on the 4 hour, but the problem is it kind of rejected structure, and it possibly could have just been an ABC correction to the uptrend. So technically, this actually could keep going up. It might even be more probable that it does keep on going up. I personally am kind of hoping that today's interest rate news is actually going to cause it to go down, and this is actually an ABC correction to this move right here, and it actually causes a pretty good push to the downside, hopefully proving that the wave B is over and that we have a trend reversal for the big wave C. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, there's really no proof that it's going down yet. And any move we see to the downside may just be nothing more than a correction to the uptrend. We do have FOMC interest rate news coming out for the dollar, which will definitely affect the yen pairs today. I will be live streaming for that news event on YouTube at 6:45 p.m. GMT plus 1 time or UK time. As of right now, like I said, the trend is technically still up, and it easily could still go up. I still am kind of thinking and kind of hoping that this is actually going to turn down for a big trend reversal on the higher time frames, possibly the end of a wave B. But like I said, we really don't have a whole lot of proof of that yet. We got to watch our Fibonacci retracement levels, see if we do get another push down. I would like to see at least a couple of good breaks of structure to help prove that we really are continuing down. Otherwise, like I said, we have to look at every move we see to the downside as possibly nothing more than a correction to the last wave up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.